Years ago, vegetable gardens were tucked away in backyards where their long rows and practical plantings could be hidden from the neighbors. But there is a trend going and gaining popularity called edible landscape, using food plants as part of a decorative landscape, and that's what we'll talk about today. We want our front yards to look as beautiful as they can. But that doesn't mean that we cannot grow food in there. Let me show you how I incorporate some of edible fruit, veggies, and herbs into my front yard. The first one I would like to share is peppermint. It grows quickly and can spread to make a scented ground cover. It creates a green pattern of color and texture. It quickly fills up all of the empty spaces between the flowering plants. Mint is very useful to have in the garden. You can use it in salads, sandwiches, tea, cocktails, and many more recipes. Another edible that you can easily incorporate in your front landscape is any member of Brassicas family. Kale or cabbage or broccoli have such a beautiful foliage that will look good in any landscape. Here I have purple sprouting broccoli growing by the wall. On one side of my front yard, I have a community library. And by the library, I planted a few edibles. This is a serrano hot pepper, chervil, lettuce, and another purple sprouting broccoli. I also grow some calendula and catmint in here. In the containers I have some chamomile growing together with petunias. Chamomile is a great annual herb that can be used in tea. Mixing flowers with edibles is a great way to make your front yard look great. I have some nasturtiums growing over here, which are both flower and an edible. I also have pansies growing together with radishes. Radishes are almost not noticeable in there, but they are growing and giving us some food. And here is the mixture of radishes, beautiful anemones, and nasturtiums that will start blooming just after the anemones will be done. I can't wait for this whole container to be overflowing with nasturtiums. And here's some more hanging baskets with pansies and radishes mixed together. Let me know in the comments below what are your favorite edibles to grow in your front yard landscape. Thank you for watching.